Hi, I'm Julian. The Gospel Project for Kids Worship Hour focuses on helping kids develop a love for God and explore different ways they might respond to the gospel. Today, I'm going to unpack the Kids Worship Hour add-on pack. If you've purchased a Kids Ministry Starter Kit, you can order the Worship Hour as well to provide a second full hour of content for kids worship. This pack contains all you need to provide a large group worship experience for elementary-aged kids. Inside the pack, you'll find 3 discs, a DVD with Bible story videos, questions from kids videos, and motion and lyric music videos, including additional worship songs. Next, you'll find a files disc with MP4 formats of the videos, as well as PDF and JPEG posters, activity printables, and the Worship Guide PDF. You can make copies of this for your leaders as needed. And the last disc you'll find is a music CD that's filled with additional worship songs. You'll also find a download code card. You can use this code to download all of the videos if you don't have a disk drive on your computer. Just remember that this is a one-time only download. Well, that's everything that you'll need to provide a large group worship experience for elementary-aged kids using the Gospel Project for Kids. If you're looking for a meaningful midweek discipleship experience, be sure to check out the Midweek Add-on.